I'm Neelanjana and welcome back to my channel and welcome to yet another challenge video. I know, before you start popping this particular question in your mind that, girl, is your channel all about challenges? Well, to that particular question, I would like to say that challenge is something that I think each and every individual must take because, you get to know your flaws, you get to know your strengths and weaknesses, and that's exactly what I am here for. So today my challenge is going to be doing a full face of makeup using my God-gifted fingers. And I'm not going to use any tools, makeup tools or brushes. So let's see whether I'll be able to do justice, to this particular challenge. And if you think that I've done a decent job after seeing the video, then please leave a heart in the comment section so that I get to know that, how much you appreciate my effort. So let's begin with today's video. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing and hit on the bell icon. So let's get started. So this is my absolute bare face. So right now I am going to moisturize my face with Pond's Super Light Gel Oil-Free Moisturizer. Then I'm going to apply primer, and it's from Color Bar, which is going to make my skin soft and smooth. After primer, I am going to use the foundation, and today I have used the True Match L'Oreal Super Blendable Foundation in the shade Golden Amber. I applied the foundation both on my face as well as the neck area, and now it's the time to just, blend it. Of course, not with the brush, but with the help of my fingers, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Now it's the time to hide all those dark circles, and I have used the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer in the shade Pure Beige, and I had taken so much of concealer that, at one point in time I was so confused that what do I do with so much of concealer. I never wanted to waste it, so I literally went all over my face. And here I'm looking like a ghost. And my fingers are looking so yucky and dirty. So I'm just dabbing the concealer, properly, but finally when I actually saw the end result, I was pretty happy. Now it's the time to lock the foundation and concealer, and I have used the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 15, and I just blew the extra powder and it literally came back to my eyes, and that's why if you see, that was my reaction. Now it's the time to contour, and I have used the Wet n Wild contouring palette, and it was really very difficult to take the product because somehow it was not coming and I had a very hard time. If you can see, I was literally struggling to get the maximum product. And it is very much evident from my face that I was really not happy with the way I contoured my face today. Anyway, the next thing is the eyebrows, which was really deadly. So I have used the Clinique 14 Skinny Dip eyeshadow quad, and this was really a task because the product was somehow not coming. And here I look simply awful and terrible. I mean, I really got shocked. But can't help it, since it's a challenge, I just took it up and very sportingly. Now I'm removing the excess eyebrow powder with the help of a light shaded concealer from Maybelline, and so that it looks a little presentable and not that terrible. Now for eyeshadow, I have taken this beautiful blue color, and look at this, how pigmented and gorgeous the color is. Now initially I was really loving the color, but it was very difficult to blend with the finger, but still I tried my level best. And I just kept on blending the eyeshadow, blend, blend, blend and blend. Here if you see, I am using my concealer once again because while applying the eyeshadow it got a little bit smudged below, so that's the reason I use the concealer once again. Now it's the time to use blusher, and it was not that difficult to use blusher, to be honest, because we at times, apart the brushes, we also use our fingers, so it was an easy breezy kind of a task for me. It was no big deal. I had taken the highlighter and looked at that. A little bit of highlighter really lightens my face, and I was so happy seeing it. But still, the overall makeup look some could not make me happy. For a minute, actually, I had forgotten that, I was using my finger for application of each and every product, and somehow I tasted it also, and it was like, boom, bad. Now, here's the next level of the deadly part, which is the mascara, and I was at a fix, I was thinking, how do I ever do it? But then I thought, okay, I have to, since it's a no brush makeup challenge. I somehow took the whole thing on my, ring finger, and I went ahead and did it. Now, while applying the mascara, a little bit of it went inside my lens as well, and it was really very difficult for a minute to see. And this was the first time actually I even applied the mascara on my lower lash line, and I don't know why I did that, but I was like, okay, fine, since it's a challenge, I should go all out. Now it's time for the lipstick, which was again not that difficult, but still I felt very dirty using my fingers, time and again. And voila, I'm done with my lip challenge. Woohoo! Regret doing it. I think I'm looking. It's become like an evil makeup. If you see my makeup, oh my god, I can't even look at my face. Let me just zoom in. देन आप लोग को पता चलेगा कितना वाहियात मेकअप मैंने बनाया है. Can you see this? I don't know whether you will be able to understand. My makeup is all over the place. My what is this called? I've even actually forgotten. My mascara is like everywhere. My foundation is patchy. My lipstick, it's smeared all over. It is actually a disaster makeup. One thing I would like to say, kudos to our grandmothers, who they used to do makeup without any kind of brushes, but they did such an amazing job. But abhi, with all these kind of makeup that we have, like eyeliner, eyeshadow, mascara, this, blah, 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 I think this is it's impossible to do with your fingers. But I have seen a lot of YouTubers, they have done an amazing job, to be honest, but I am not a pro at it. I mean, I'm just a beginner. So yeah. With this, I come to the end of this particular makeup session, makeup epic fail challenge. And I hope you all have enjoyed it. I don't know whether you have enjoyed it, but it was just a fun video, So please do like, share, comment and subscribe. As I said that, give a heart. I don't think so मेरे को heart मिलेगा या क्या मिलेगा, but I have tried my level best. To just do a fun challenge, and I like to put it this way. With this makeup also, I think I can step out of my house and go, and I can go out. I think that is what confidence is all about. I mean, just wear this makeup and go out, and I don't think so I will feel that bad. It's okay, I have done it. So yeah, so please do like the video and subscribe to my channel, and very, very, very important, guys, hit on the notification bell because you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Subscription is absolutely free, of course, guys. It's free. So subscribe कर दो यार, बहुत मेहनत हम लोग करते हैं, तो subscribe करो, and follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and spread love and keep loving everyone. Love you guys. Bye bye.